Happy New Year for all people that ready to see we for outside day. Now the first PG News debate will get for 2019. We the glad plenty for the support of Nagi and for we for 2018. Now the same support at the one time. Make we join we hand for inside the same support for say make 2019 it be better pass still get them for 2018. We the glad we don't meet up now and all man to you don't cross enter for 2019. PG News debate as well talk and we na sabiam na normal tori wey dey happen for all Saturday them and we the turn back for some of the thing that we pass for inside the week. One of the strong thing that we pass for inside week we must talk am today na this palaver for new minister that we Nkunkumagi appoint ebidena a Friday for inside Cameroon just now. New minister or prime minister in name na Chief Joseph Zongute where he come up for Bobongo one village for that side so for Ekondo Titi. Sabi say they be one gi appoint where they be just come up for burn a house for side for Ekondo Titi for Thursday. We go look to inside the other minister the way they give them appoint. But Sabi say no big change. It no be them inside the new people that way Nkunkumam. He bring them for inside governor. Now so to go tonton we talk other small thing that way happen. We go take una go for inside this palaver for fake honey. Where they be catch am for place where they call am say Bepandam. Now so to go take una we talk palaver piki where they meet up and for inside dirty place. We go talk to as we election people then too they don't start work, they don't open their book for people that way they know be don't register their name. Say may they come for can register their name. And the time Oga Eric Esusewe na head boy for elections Cameroon, he talk say he look now forget 10 million Cameroonian them where they go write their name inside election book. Sabi say this year we get two other vote the way they go happen. One way go concern councillor people them and council them, and one way it go concern honorable them. All the Tory them so plus case for loss we get them inside Tory for this afternoon. We own changer they will get them for this side. We now go see them. I go first talk Happy New Year for you, Oga Lewat. Good afternoon and Happy New Year for you.
Good afternoon, Oga Ambassador. Happy New Year for all our tele viewers for the beginning, for the year.
Okay. All right. Another person to get them for this side na Eric. I dey call in my own combi. Eric, Happy New Year for you.
Happy New Year, Ambassador. I want to thank all the people in way that support we for which we do every day, and I get your message for people that hear from Bonabe. They say, "Ma, I tell you, say you continue for your work with you do." And they wish you a big Happy New Year and a good year.
All right, thank you plenty. So now we two people then that will get for talk. Oga Lewat, so SSM na Toriman for Jacques newspaper, and even Eric, who SSM na young boy with them for inside plenty work for Palava for computer engineering. So, calling people them now so we see country for this time. Before we go enter for program better, maybe we go start for talk for Palava and Kunkuma e talk we giam for people them for New Year. We na sabi say every end for yam we own Kunkuma. He must to talk for population. Thing way in the plan for doam for the other New Year way they enter, and for number 31 day for inside the December month for 2018 as when Nkunkuma talk I pick na 3 thing them come out and for inside the talk way he talk one he talk this palaver suffer way sabi say people them for northwest and west they suffer for sika the palaver way they pass for that 2 place them. He don't talk say as way people that way they hold shake a shoot where they no get authorized for hold they also hold the shake a shoot say small time he go only send a commander say may they finish with all them. Another thing when Nkunkuma talk, he talk na di palaver for Mandamba for 2019 wey be get for happen for Cameroon for June and July. Nkunkuma talk say wetin say e dey so they change the date e only kene e comot for the day wey be get for happen to another day. Na I mean say it still get hope, and we Cameroon we also get hope say then Damba e go pass for Cameroon. If no be 2019 then e go be na for 2000 and any year wey e dey so e get for enter. And again he talks say palaver for country. He say go check as way other work the way they don't happen for country. He talk palaver dam where the work he never so finish we get for give people the light. He talk palaver roads, palaver water, palaver hospital, and other social amenities them if we get for put them for short. So for 3 ways I don't already talk to you and Nkunkuma talk for end of year. Now I go start with you Eric. This palaver from Nkunkuma end for year talk. As I be say you say you be shidon, you follow Nkunkuma fine. When you be fini follow her all like normal Cameroon person way you be the follow your president, waiting be there for your mind.
I be the way their speech very special this year because I be expect many things we go talk am, but I be surprised say nothing for thing I be the way mention them because the first one I be the way I say me thank all the Cameroonians they be contribute for elective for this new mandate where the enter inside. But inside the speech, thank Cameroonian for now one of the people they showed say ECSF, say that election be this on kind. So I be expecting for thank Cameroonian and they thank them. Then secondly, I be expecting for talk about some problems them where be face them. A minister and the year where Cameroonian they be vexed, excuse yourself or explain what TV pass concerning that computers them. Where began for Minister of Higher Education. I know nothing concerning that computer because all the students they get the computer nearly all they complain and I know kind of many way they for my place where they get problem where they need to work. So I will expect me to clarify for that situation and the money. Then thirdly, I will also wait me to for play down succeed in the like bridge and like right the road then me give percentage. Because when you begin for make some bilan for everything we don't do for road them for which stage way yes which stage we dey if na for 50% we dey if na for 75% we dey you give you figures them who know whether the country it go ahead or a minister them they work fine or they need to work fine. Then concerning to that nation cup where they don't move on for Cameroonian, I expect apologize in front of Cameroon and them. Tell them, for give them assurance say, if you look on it, may it pass fine next time. And it expect me tell you whether sanction it go be or it no go be. So communication be very important. I be feel very bad. Then as I come out to, I try to talk with my friend and say, ask them question. Whether they be understand what he be talk am, his speech be very complex. It be some kind. If it confuse people then because many of people they want ask them the question, no man will be explain me really what he understand am. So if it be na speech you get for here and like 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, forget something inside. So I know say many people go talk they will talk the same thing while they talk and we go let you wait because we don't really know say na so e dey. We go let you manage it so.
Ogalewat, you be Tory man, as I don't fit talk, you be Tory man for Jacques newspaper. When you be Shidon for follow talk way, pa be talk am for 31 day. Waiting be touch your mind for till we talk am, will you be like am, and maybe till we no be over here fine for the talk.
For that speech from Nkonkoma, maybe things say if you surprise we, he try to talk some other thing. Since more than 10 years, he did like say they go for inside that fresh way put them for back. He take that talk way they don't talk, he cool small, he come out and hot them, talk them again. Now some talk way be they empty. And for this time we be wait say, Nkonkoma tell you say he don't initiate dialogue before he make that on that problem for disarmament and so on and so on. They don't feel enter for that side where they come out, they are fan. You must enter for some house before you come out. That program for disarmament, a program where before come where dialogue be don't bing, they don't start dialogue. They talk before they talk. Say now, as they don't want all now, man will not come out for bush. They will go fan if they fire you because they don't give chance for all man. Say may they come explain the only thing where they get time for belay. May they talk thing where they gene them before they see us. They feel leave that gun for them and enter again for inside Republic. Now, as Eric B talk, I be think say Nkonkoma fi apologize for that problem for Ndamba where they don't withdraw for Cameroon. Oga Ambassador, now more than 1.5 thousand billion CFA. They don't take them. They don't know play where it go. They take them say they go make start. They go to house for Garwa, house default. They start road, they know the finish road. They start Osa, they know the finish am. And we be think say Nkonkoma know they know all that thing. Oga Ahmad become an Eto. They go talk for Nkonkoma, say that thing they so report where all minister they give you na fake report, na true report this and they give video make it look am because by they so on a say don't overhaul, on a say no say we be they give no consideration for Cameroonian, they ever come up for go look thing where they for fail. He just stand there. That Ahmad don't look say pa no the commode no. He take that video, come give am for pa say she don't for Etudi. Look this thing. And that report where they give na fake report, na true report this. That ballon no, it no fit happen for Cameroon. For that date where you dey talk, where we talk say Atena for before. And I tell when I say that Ndamba go bing. And I say we think say you go just remember that way we talk say I dey take that responsibility. That Ndamba go bing. He apologize, no but apologize, and he no fan. And now we be think say pa no fit apologize, but if he talk say other people where they touch that money for Ndamba, you know say Ndamba na hard for Cameroonian. Say other people they touch that money, you go put them for corner. Yes. If he take them, say that they go Konengi, he pass back, come out them for that doorway they back now, go keep them. But nobody do so. Now say all that report, he be rich for Ifan. Now say Popoyi, he be not say that money they come out. Now say Popoyi, sometimes he not play with that money they go. Because if you are the give you come to me say want do something. I say okay, go do one. Our house you say that you will be talk say you do one. Report now which one? You know but do no report. And this for start this here, Oga Ambassador, we journalists we get we own fought for answer all these things. Because no man never make very report for all things way since 36 years by the Duam. Neither than time for election, nor now where they don't talk again say pa don't win election. No man never make belong for passing some time. No even newspaper like my own. We know but stand so talk say bon pa, you know but make good, you know but do so, you know but do this one, you know but do that one. No man never make that kind of thing. And
but say something the day when it is say they so repeat and mean say some problem there for that side.
Yes, but they repeat them, they not talk property where they get for talk, it's not fine.
Okay.
It then like say, you see, you want to go on Konsamba, si you grab dollar go on Konsamba, fair go pass na Yaoundé, go Bagante, ton bafusango come on Konsamba, no fun. Just grab your go on Konsamba, if you no fun, talk for pass, it's no fun. Not so.
Alright, so now just we talk around for till we pass, wait till we happen for inside Nkunkuma talk. We talk for today as well, don't talk, we'll concentrate plenty. If we don't get time for talk plenty of the other thing them, we will concentrate plenty for the new governor when Nkunkuma says he be appointed yesterday, we be dinner Friday for Cameroon side here. Make we enter for inside the new Prime Minister house. I be say after we this home, they be appoint Oga John Ogute for on top chair like a Prime Minister. It be dinner time for glad as we family people them and even combi them plus even people there they just there for corner or man. It become for a house where she done for that side so for Oja for can glad with Joseph Diongute just now. It don't be a new big man for inside the country. Sabi say before everyone be that position like a Prime Minister for Friday where it is be the work now for inside presidency and Sabi say Oga Joseph Diongute says it be take it time it no be she done all man all person will come for can salute for tell say congratulate it be turn up for a door for talk say congratulate for all people them now so to even for house people they be full up plenty for talk for Oga Joseph Diongute say repe congratulate for the better appointment they don't give appoint in the come way for Thursday they be born house for that side so for Bobongo one village for inside Ekondo Titi but that one it also means Sabi say Joseph Diongute just now he don't chop na chair where it is on a Philemon Young he don't she done for day for more than 6 years now as well the talk am so just for Sabi say na Oga Joseph Diongute just now where he go be the new Prime Minister and head from governor inside the country. Now we go concentrate first on top him before we enter for the other minister them. Oga Lewat Joseph Diongute me I go at chief doctor for say all the night title. Joseph Diongute he don't be na the new Prime Minister and he come up for Southwest. Sabi say na one of the other one where they come up for Southwest after Chief Ephraim Inoni and the other people there they be appointed where they come up Southwest. Now Joseph Diongute as Prime Minister for inside the country, chop chair for Philemon Young. You sure say na he go get that sense for do work we get for do. Sabi say first talk we talk when they ask say wetin he get am for mind for do for say make Cameroon better. He talk na say anything when Nkunkuma talk say make they do na way he go do am. It mean say e dey like say he no go surely bring own idea but he go hear from Nkunkuma then he do to a Nkunkuma talk. So when Nkunkuma give commandia he do the commandia. So when you see the appoint for Joseph Diongute chief doctor, what you get for talk? Waiting be fair before your mind.
Oga Ambassador, my own mind, I say, you don't go put some kind of way again. We don't tape some record for video. You dey put that record. You know the thing say that record, if it can be different thing, we don't tape them. Mr. John Joseph Ngote don't talk the only thing way there for Ibele. He say they na become Kunkuma no fit be president and he can be prime minister. Them say he go one she don't he go one stand. He talk say Kunkuma do how I stand. He say yes he stand. I sleep. He say yes he sleep. He don't think talk popotin way there for his heart. Popotin way there for his own mind. Them say I dey see that people. I dey see sometimes we go reach for that side. I dey see the government no change no day. No one man wey fit take your own mind, take do something, no day for that for other people, and no na that prime minister if he. But see where they for them I say you know overhaul and I know over young. Now first thing we feel being for that, and you know no na some surprise because if prime minister for this country no come out for Southwest or come out for na West, and now I see say Mr. Dion they temperate tomorrow, and maybe say if he bring some new blood for inside that government.
All right. So yes. So I want to ask you, Eric, when you see Prime Minister, when you see Prime Minister will be the Joe appointee, what you get for talk this new Prime Minister with the Joe appointee?
First of all, first talks for Cameroon and say we no get Prime Minister for Cameroon. That name na just a name we just here because what text the talk say Prime Minister na chief of the government. That means na he na Kukuma they work for name the other minister. When at the year for radio say they don't put Prime Minister, then the very day at the years the other ministers they name them. At the real ask on how they do the work before that list they come out. Because the talk say if Prime Minister na chief of government, that means all the other ministers they under he. And he get for know all them. He get for choose them. He get for choose the kind of people they want to work with them. Then propose an app for president. Now president now analyze and now then validate the list. But for Cameroon, I never ever see that thing happen. The very day they give the name of for the prime minister, the very day that they give the other prime minister their name. So a very shameful thing. They take with like Cameroon and they don't go school. We will need to read what takes them. I want to tell them say we read what takes them and know what they do. Then secondly, that prime minister, if I don't open him up talk say you don't cancel now for work, do the way they will tell me do am. The show say you know get 100% of decision they will take them. It means say it go be they will control you and some pressure will be for a back way they will get order me to do some kind of them. Now the very problem we will be Philemon Yang be facing. So they be the talk say he want resign because if he get problem with many ministers then like Amatutu Muna will be see me even we delegate them the lack respect we give them order they need respect them even the man for CNPS they get problem so it shows say all that prime minister they don't get total control of the government so they just dey for they like as they just say figure when they say play when they say play when they say stop when they say go stop waka so na just mago the plan so give me the plan in front of Cameroon and them we only tell them say when got the time go reach sometimes some changes there will be.
All right, and the other question we go ask on top this one. Social media don't dey talk your own. He don't dey talk your own story. Say they like say as we Kukuma don't put the man for chair. They like say United Nations to the one enter for inside Cameroon for seek this palaver for Northwest and Southwest. I was sabi say Joseph John Gute na person we get plenty sense where he don't work with people them for outside. So you check say he like man we come on for Southwest. If he get that sense, that kind of power, the wisdom where he fit for see as well this palaver where they happen for Norwest and Southwest too, they fit control them.
It get sense for work. We need to deny the sense we get and he go school. Na professor, doctor. He get the knowledge. If you handle that kind of situation, but the problem is the first of all I say, escape people them they accept it first because when you give some post for some person, try for look wider first for a territory or for a village or for a community. They accept it for day. When they do appointment when they just come up a burning house for a village. It means say some problem dey for some side because many early dey for that village. I'm not sure now all early the house they born am for there. They born the house because they get some kind problem them and some kind with the people with their community them. So I think the president before one name one nominate some people them, you get for make sure say they put a be welcome for their village, because I'm not sure say if they bond that man in house for village, if you go stand for that village, make speech, tell them may they come back for may they come up for bush can she done or can she done. It means say some poor for on site. Either it day with them or you know day with them. So now people in the way I know say most of them they stand for Yaoundé. They come they be out for sometimes for always sometimes for the send more chop for them they divide for village. They don't even know sometimes their chief their name for village.
Country fashion. He says a chief.
Chief that we know say all the people all that minister them today na chief. Where they go now for Yaoundé they all minister them they be chief. You go colonel themselves they be chief. And when they nominate them so you see am na party. You see general they come councilority, nobody they come councilority. It means say they know say you don't something go for enter for play money go be. That means if you begin at one house, the house they go plenty. If you begin at one motor, the motor they go plenty. Normally, the kind of images them, they don't get for show them again for TV. Now, very you know get for even as they come and enter a house, now the kind of thing they just show them for. It shows say.
Now glad say you don't get appointment.
It show
for different level.
Yeah, you don't get appointment, but you know so they glad that kind of appointment.
They glad
that kind of appointment. Now for talk, now we speak them. Speech they go change Cameroon the situation them. No, they need glad can appointment the biker Mimbo the sham put the whiskey for table the drink show we say live don't start you go as it don't start so you go continue. So the guy was showing how we speech them. Talk say as this no be work as so you go work as so. As this no be work as so the person will be fair before they you know be make you work. I hope say president will give me power ma do the one ma fix the one me fix the one and speech will the wait time when you want see Mimbo for table we want see people that dance where we want see general them we want see people that we call them for the kind welcome me for night enough for night. Na very shameful images that they see am so.
Okay, for you. All right, Ogamewa, this glad they really deliver glad they talk say that kind of glad you know get no meaning for say they give a point that you start for glad they give people the mean but na glad say they don't give some point. Just they like a picking go pass exam, you go glad you go share with people them for outside. So now only that for glad but we ask now the question Chief Dr. Joseph John Gutem we they put it like a prime minister, you sure say you go get that power for do the work and Congo side on the pass for social media even as we know na all thing for social media where you get for take and like true they don't talk say it dey like say United Nations one can put him up for this palaver wey dey pass on Norway and Southwest na why that way Kunkuma don quickly change for sake say Joseph John Gutem master the thing them fine but you sure say true he get that power for say make he do this thing with the pass for Norway South me calm down small.
Okay, ambassador, Eric be talk something before I take talk so. He be talk say, I fit see say they don't go burn horse for some man for a country. You go appoint that man prime minister. If they burn your horse for country, I say you don't get no solid background for your field. They must take
you know checks to say that house with the burn and be there like a blessing too.
If not that kind of blessing, no fun. Because if you talk say if they shoot some man. They cut food for some man and they go give you some car for Konam. Na blessing say they cut the food they give you car. No, that man na say they no leg you for a country for a village. And now if they no leg you, they go take you appoint you like prime minister. You know forget that real that love for people for feel. Say they feel he talk time we go have say make they bring that gun. They come out for bush. They bring that gun. You know fit talk there here. And you see say if we be try for do something. People for upside they no be fit for can begin look with own problem for inside our house. Because that way thing they come out, no they talk no nothing. It just turn like mumu. People for upside they see say they overkill people. On a so that they kill them. On other people for country for village they kill them. It's no fun. So no thing say Mr. Dion go get that power, that shoulder, heavy shoulder for carry all that problem for now west and southwest. And now I want class one for talk say na occasion this say other people say President Paul Biya wey dey talk say na democratic country say before other people they start if you talk say no that whole minister them they no be stand so take some paper talk say bon I wan come I get 3 houses for ya I get 1 farm I get 3 motor I get so na so make any man take some paper for talk like we dey talk for quarter he put all your own good way get am. Say I the one start for the minister so I get this thing, I get that one, I get one as our constitution the talk. Say any big man where they appoint him, he must talk to him we get him before he enter for function we go see, because they know fit talk say they fight against corruption. They want take some man, they know nothing will be get am. You want come out, they know nothing where you don't come take and put them for that quoi. You dey enter for using where they walked in them for they want enter that vigil they check your back for sitting where they. You want come out again, you check your back for see if it's something over hard for that back. And na so I talk say you don't start back, but maybe if you start back, you go finish fine. I don't know.
All right, we go left as Chief Dr. Joseph John Gutewe don't be new Prime Minister. We sabi say maybe by Monday they will put all them for chair. Make we enter for the other phase them for minister there they appoint them. One of them na Madame Celestine Kecha, we to don't be minister. Ibrahim Talbaman Assessor, he don't be a minister for contract. Rene Emmanuel Sadim, he then a place for communication. Then we get even Loan Sesh Etundingwam, we then for primary book ministry. Nasis Kombi, he will be the new minister for sports and physical education. Basilikin 3 Ashil, it will be for them. And Rieyebe IC, he been a person for inside advocates. And we get Jacques Famendongo, we don't be a minister of state and minister for secondary or for higher education. Jean de Dieu Nono Seseb, he name, he dey for Liz. Njoya Zakia Tutu, he name, he dey for Liz. Where he been a minister delegate inside Ministry for Transport. Wakata Bolvin Francois, he na minister delegate inside presidency. They will get Dong Sumet Benoit and Gogomo Paul Mingo where they did for inside presidency. Now when we look all the faces them and the people that they don't give them a point, plenty people that they ask, person like Pierre Ishmael Bidung Pat, he be come out, he be then a minister for sport, they push he, put it for inside the ministry for as arts and culture. We get person too like Narcis Mele Kombi will be there for arts and culture, they send it for sport. Then we get a person like Issa Churuma Bakari where he come out for communication, for talk. He don't enter now so for professional, for vocational training for inside we country. Now when we look all the face them and the people there they don't give them chair for the place where they be changed chair. You sure say they go fit for turn up for work, the work where they get for worker?
If they take them one by one, I know say I will start now for Cortez, that former mayor for Bangante. If the city where Cortez don't do for Bangante, and they take down Equilibre Regional where they talk, they see say power move. Mwenchu, he take his sister, he put them for day. Exactly. Take his sister, put them for day. But if we go now for regard for work with Celestine Cortez don't do for Bangante, if they go transpose that work for all Cameroon, I see say if he try, I see say that one if he better because he don't work for Bangante. We see Bangante don't get that trophy for Ville Propre 3 times. Best clean town. Many times, they don't try building them for day. If he try do so for that minister, and now for that own position, he did like say na big mile for Cameroon. He will try look am. And second person who look am, I follow it for your own small work. Na Minister Laurent Etundingwa. We don't work small for that a place for small and medium sized enterprises. You don't try make finding them and. As we be talking as some professor for higher education, if they leave your hand, say make some more fun for them. If you work for your own minister, we look for some corner, we look Momo. As Momo don't over dirty Professor Campton, no? But they don't talk, say now you go take that very chair where come to be get them now. You go sit down for them and we go see as you two go do. You don't give that chair, say you two go try some more. Okay. As you don't over help me. Bon, now for come for other one them. He look like down that's
more talk minister for employment and vocational training where Issa Churuma he don't come up for talk that work that position if you say if it plenty they talk say maybe the best place will be fit Issa Churuma be there for communication because they talk fine.
You see for talk fine not for talk true. Mr. Churuma he be talk fine for that on team. Talk fine because you don't over lie and even for that one plenty people be one say may not be in there again for talk as you don't hire Mr. talk for Plaba for Chiruma now for go for training minister and vocational yes if he tries small because his own background we get na mechanician you see il na engineer mécanicien. You don't try to find for Sotuk for that time. You don't try to for Régie Faircam or other place where don't pass. If you try make that side, it go up small. But that place where before only for talk, and we get some small disposition for begin light. You know, you see I'm say white, you say green. That one is bad. Now they leave it that side. It's fine. And Bidonkwat.
We talk. We own ministers except Emmanuel René Sadi.
Yes, Emmanuel René Sadi. We don't see. Now we don't. You don't. We be checked for some time. Say now if you go take chair for panel because they say it overwork. Sometimes if you work fun and we you don't sit in where a year by ECB do time we be pass for that side. Now we the talk now say no man no the way no fee work where if you work for that other minister them where other no they come now for up.
Exactly.
Now say they put any man for any place. Now so they fit take some shoot maker. They go put them for play where the build house. That one problem no fit be for them because they will talk feel this thing you just feel like no yet thing where they feel am no. That's what they do. And René Emmanuel Sadi, now man we get some small
sense.
Some sense for role team for government. Sometimes if you take that sense now, you try to transpose that sense for communication with the weight.
All right, Eric, the other minister, they give them names. Sabi say people them like Andre Mamafuda, they know they game for game. You get people then like Ernest Wabubutu, they know game for game. Jean-Claude Buencho, they know they for game. Plenty other some minister them Zachary Perevedo, they don't move them for game. Then other one them like Grand Tango is also there for his chair. No man they never change him. Now when you look the people that in Kukuma give them appointments today, apart from the Prime Minister. Wait till you don't see them. If check say something will change for inside the country, according to the people they don't see them for their face.
According to the new people that enter the government, they very face them, but now they post them the change. Bon, I will start with the Minister of Communication, René Sadi, where they enter. I know like person where he talk plenty. It take time before everyone talk. So I see and say for that post, he go work fine. But I hope say he go get control for the talk we go to talk then he go get liberty because I be listening to on our friends on a channel on a neighbor channel they talk say the other one be come that means Choroma other thing they be read and so na be the right time be come on for up be usually the read them. So I hope say the one before he want read them he go take time to look am then he agree what if he read them or you know if he read them or then me he go work fine. I know we go she don't talk anything like that Choroma be the woke up talk as my brother just talk that post be the show say Choroma you know be na nothing we learn am be na technician if you take technician and put am for put am for communication make the right letter them you go pass it. So I know René Sadi like a person wey be calm he take time before he talk then he talk anyhow. It dey like Kukuma for Yaoundé day. So the na people they quiet as my brother talk. Sometimes the people they talk say sometimes I even we page look and for put am for that chair. Yes. Then the second appointment why I like and small na the mayor of Bangante too where they enter government because I know he like a woman, a hardworking woman where they work fine. He work fine for Bangante. He even cross Bangante, enter even Bazoo work. That means you see. How give me inside the other town the way be near Bangante. So na appointment why I hope say he go solve that problem for town DT because now so inside all the whole Cameroon DT park for all side. I hope say I still get iron hand. I hope say go knock am for table make the people that support for do that work. They get for do am. Then some problem any problem for money they make they solve the problem make they work make Cameroon clean. Then thirdly, some two nominations they way I don't really understand where to pass. You get Bidungpat where they go for art. Bon, yes, and I be known Bidungpat that way I be see the class 1, class 2, like man they can make comedy. For a phone they pay 500 for enter, they call that issue mini pam pam. So and I hope say na he too na for the way he go enjoy himself, he go enjoy himself because I tell you they do am before he want be minister, if they enter inside school them, they dance, they look and make small magic them. He enter, but na person way and I don't understand why the nominated before after all the disaster we cause some inside sport for Cameroon, inside sport you get problem for Fika Food, you get problem for Lions where they just up to never get team, you get problem for coach, you get problem set for Ndamba, you get problem for fee, you get problem for motor they be ask them whether na 25 pick up them will be ask them for the visit chantier them for start them. All that problem them. I want to know which side you don't, how far you don't go, how long you don't go. So now person where I know say they be for push it for corner. Then now after now we hear say sometimes if a turn on to his so as I don't push it for that, I don't know because I don't know why they for the. No man, I person be for quarter now they start look as the fish situation. Then last month now Momo I hope all the whole night yesterday, all the whole day yesterday for Facebook, for social media them. Even the prince of social media because all man be nobody understand bon.
Life don't change.
Life don't change. Bon, I understand the
be work plenty.
It be work plenty. They be use it for breaking the Bamleket them. That means Bamleket Google the blah blah blah. They belong organized for go against the party in power. They be use it. And he work as a government one time. He go for social media. He talk any kind. He go for television. They talk any rubbish concerning his tribe. Talk some kind they will not accept and so up to today. But he don't get the compensation because they say na some government they like some kick with the cut time. Any man get own share. So they don't give own share. Me chop and me no say Cameroon as the chop so history there. The right history for Cameroon. I hope say when they will read the history. When they will pass for a name, I hope so the name will be a positive issue or negative. He put them for a head so.
All right, we get a person like Jacques Famin Dongo. He don't go now for Minister of States, Minister for Insight, Big Book.
Yeah, I forget that one too, because I go na pay people anyway. I mean, no Jacques Famin Dongo. The people they don't proclaim themselves say they be biased. They record and say biased. That means the policy they make them. Na policy for Kukuma. So anything they come for up, no one just analyze and what they find, no find. They just get them. So if they don't put it for day, I hope say they know why they don't put it for day because we know what he be do concerning that laptop they were just talking for picking them for university. That laptop if you see them for Facebook, they need to sell them. They need to sell when you see them for sale for Facebook, you need to pass 30,000. But they be tell you say the laptop they be evaluated for 300,000 for one. But today when that picking they put them for sale na 30,000. So they show you figure where you see gap where the amount 300,000 and 30,000. So if Kunkuma don't say and say after that damage we don't make now for appointing for that state, you know why don't put it for there and he go face the consequences and what it go happen. Now he be the chairman and he will the Cameroon and say the voter. I hope say you know why don't put it for that government. Me work for that place.
Yes, and now another thing we don't talk. Country people them we get plenty thing that we talk, but the one if they one will be need for talk and sabi say we will continue for talk we no finish and to them. So if we not talk all that thing then we remain from governor. Now for Sika say na the thing where they happen now. Now we will talk this palaver from governor again. We get some small thing. Plenty people they talk say some of the people that they begin hand for saying Damba for 2019 no happen for inside country for the year. Say instead from Kunkuma for see as we go put them for one side, they instead change them or they add them rank. Exactly. So people that they ask question why so? Why they no one change? Now only them they be someone that they ask saying Kunkuma because say he go bring plenty women them, he bring young people them. But inside the governor, we never see young people them. We never see plenty women them. Even though we hear and name them for about 2 women them where they inside.
You see, Kunkuma. Last time I be talk for you, they tell me say I no fit talk that kind of statement for man like Kunkuma. Where you know about talk thing will be true. You don't talk lie. A man where don't talk lie, na liar. That way you talk say you go do no Kunkuma never ever do for 36 years now. You never ever do thing where you don't talk. And thing where they talk, no nothing where you do. I think say for go come and small that young people for your own party where they be 1 year. Say Kunkuma, if you want to do that, your government way will do them. You know, put young people for there, we will turn seeking going for opposition. I check say that young people for that party, they know they like down the big brother where they lie, they talk thing where they know they do. Because now, if I say the yes, say they don't get no use for them for that the party. If they want say a change, they know where they go turn because at them we talk say if they don't put them for government, if they don't put them for some other side, they will try look for better way for some corner. Now for come for women them, parents look say if you put one or two, you don't over put them. I'm say if you talk say go put women them, you don't go put quotas. And I don't know so other one. I don't know.
For that one for basic education.
Yes, and now for that people for sport. You know say since where we see we talk we on small one where we toli. Any man where we talk from Kunkuma say Kunkuma that one native man. Kunkuma the terrier Joe high gallon. Atana kuna be there for snake. They tell say the overtip money the terrier pour minister. Now that we don't go take say the overtip again it terrier put on for Konengi. You talk someone like Famen Longo. He don't overtake money for the party. They don't talk all canting. He be some big professor and he talk say 32 equals 500. Any man they look that way, they like say na they don't call they make that theater way, they make them sing with time where we be there for school. Like say na job they did one and they take put them for some country like Cameroon. You see, they don't talk all thing for that can way we before make them for 2019
for this year.
Yes. We for make them Kukuma talk say bon as it is so if money not correct I'll take them for my proper yes put them for day and you don't talk that they don't withdraw that thing you just take that people again just had them gallon if before take them put them for jail or has them say me they come tell which way they do and all that money where they take them that one I know feel be surprised because now so he used for do.
Eric, we'll talk quick now. We almost finished. So we'll talk been a special one for the new minister there. They become we get plenty in them, but that one be the important. Eric, this palaver for people there they begin hand for work will be the happen for Mandamba. With the Mandamba no last happen, but plenty people they surprised say they never move no one man for game. All they also they inside the Ngomna. They only make them so add them rank. You like Cameroon, how you feel for outside?
I feel like person where you know get like orphan where they don't come, they don't knock me for my house, they thief all thing. Then they I show my power get power. The thief man say na they go in my team them, but I no do nothing. So now he said call the person, he said take against someone again where the bigger time give me go. So now the team what they feel now so because they expect say after the speech for Kunkuma this January, G31. After as we enter the year, so many things begin to happen because after a speech, I don't see even some minister for some major for comment the speech. I be not say things be prepared in the some sanction them. But I be surprised that very people them where they misuse money for country for like we say we will organize Nation Cup, like we say we will be feed them, like we say any province will get one fee. Like we say there will be a hotel then do road them. All that thing they no one thing no happen. So they don't move the nation cup for hand. Now big shame. I be talk say the first way President Miguel Bolona for come for fund Cameroon and they apologize for what he happened. Then secondly, tell we measures then we gonna take them concerning that issue. Now so they don't say take them again, appoint them, send them for different side, they go to job, they go to continue to do that their business, and that their thief. So now team for remain so silent, just look at. But God, as we say, if God they up just look at, God they look at. But I hope say as we talk so, sometime you come back, then something that go happen inside of this because it not be normal. Because when you even estimate when the year budget where they use them as a thing material, how much will it cost? They be importing them. They go commanding them for outside country, me the enter Cameroon, we'll get all that factory there, we be free, make all that in them. Only because money they make money to go up in the TIFA. So we only lock mob to look at as country to go. The way time go reach, it go reach.
Alright, and just for Sabi say even World Bank, if you don't vex with Cameroon, say when Cameroon they want ask for money, when they put price for one thing, they put the price plenty on top, then they ask plenty money. World Bank says if you don't vex with Cameroon for that kind of patcha where they be the knock them stick, so then say they be don't sabi say that in that way Cameroon be don't do them. So anyhow, call the people that we don't talk for now. Say today be then a special one for this new minister there they become for chair and the prime minister who don't talk on top them. Now so we get case for person wey don lost. They call it Ndi Trésor. Now the boy named that. We go show a photo for that boy where they call it Ndi Trésor. He get now 11 years according to Tori enter for year Ndi Trésor. He come off for house on number 3 day for this moon around 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock for morning time, and he go for sorry no person in no sabi for Sekase never turn back for their family house where he dey for Peka 12, Peka 12 for that side. So for twins they call and say manja. So this speaking they talk say he dey talk fine for Queen Elisa country talk, and he dey talk small for Emmanuel Macron a country talk. So just now Oga Atemba Stanley he dey beg any person wey see this speaking wey sabi the face or he dey keep the picking say make he take this dignity number then one time 677-385-593 694-292-098 or he bring it for Equinox Tori House. Monsieur Atemba Stanley annonce la disparition de son fils, le nommé Ndi Trésor, âgé de 11 ans, et serait sorti de la maison le jeudi 3 janvier 2019 aux environs de 2 heures du matin pour une destination inconnue, et depuis lors, il ne s'est pas retourné au domicile familial 6 APK 10 au lieu-dit Manja, et s'exprime en anglais et moyen en français. Monsieur Atemba Stanley prie toute personne qui le reconnaît ou qui le besoin de bien vouloir le contacter au numéro suivant 677-385-598 694-292-098 ou encore le conduit à la télévision Equinox contre une très forte récompense. Now the thing then that for this afternoon, it be then only for the new minister that will be get maybe for next week we will talk other thing then for inside quarter. Oga Lewat, thank you plenty for your time.
Thank you, Oga Ambassador. Let me talk Happy New Year for Melon. You know, say Melon a siège for Journal J'accuse. I know if you come here, I know by address them. Best wish for this new year for all population for Melon.
All right, thank you too plenty, Eric.
Yeah, I will give me one my wish.
We almost finished.
My wish happy new year for Ma Ayon for Bonabe. We be receiving for your house for the 1st January in a massa. I wish them a good year, and I salute my Clean Computer Group and all the personnel. Happy New Year.
All right, so now we people then that, so we pray as in next week. Papa God go level some more meet up with you now. When they salute you, DJ Equalizer way the local we for that side. So for Kumba, I have a Sabi. I hope say Kumba get light. We wanna feel the local because Kumba na place like the golf come on. So thank you plenty Malis, thank you to Ledu, thank you Nadine for the work on a join them. Even Danny Warren Zede, a big hand for the work will happen for this side. On a hold am tight, on a feel look the Tory again for some time for 8 o'clock, but me I go turn back. Sorted for Monday if Papa God 11. On a hold am tight for outside.